students, how are you all? So student, today we will learn the sound of vowel E. Okay. Here I write the some vowel E word and we underline the vowel E. So let us start. P-E-N. E is a vowel word, then underline. D-E-N, then the underline the vowel E. M-E-T, met, the underline the vowel E. M-E-N-N, the underline the vowel E. N-E-T, net, the underline the vowel E. P-E-T, pet, then underline the vowel E. T-E-N, ten, the underline the vowel E. H-E-N-N, the underline the vowel E. B-E-T, bed, underline the vowel E. Okay. Then repeat again this word. P-E-N, pen, D-E-N, den, M-E-T, met, M-E-N, men, N-E-T, net, P-E-T, pet, T-E-N, ten, H-E-N, hen, and B-E-T, bed.